It is Tuesday, May 11th, 2021. I am Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we go over common real estate and mortgage related terms. Today's term is asset, which is an item of monetary value that is owned by an individual. There are many types of assets, but when we're referring to the purchase of real estate, what a lender is typically going to need to see is that you have liquid assets available. What's a liquid asset? These are things that can be converted into cash quickly. So cash, that's a liquid asset. Readily tradable stocks and bonds that you have, retirement accounts that you can easily tap into without penalty, those are liquid. You can quickly access them and use them for a purchase. One note, the government does allow, at least in New Jersey, allow you to tap into your retirement fund and use part of that without tax penalty. So that's something you can definitely talk to your lender about. But those are liquid assets. Now, on the flip side, there are assets that are not liquid or like fixed, and those are not going to be considered. Some examples would be your car, other properties that you own, furniture. These are things that do have monetary value, but you can't easily convert them to cash so that you can then go purchase a property in 3 weeks to 4 weeks. Those are things that take time. Other properties, you have to sell those before you can make any money off of them to use for another purchase. Same thing with your car. You're not just going to wake up and sell your car tomorrow. That's a process that's going to take time. So the lender is not really going to consider those. But your mortgage lender is the best person to talk to about what does qualify and what doesn't in terms of liquid assets that you can use for a purchase of a property. So please reach out to them and ask them what counts and what doesn't count. And if you need a lender, please contact me and I will put you in touch with one of the lenders that I work with, and they can assist you with understanding what you have available and if you are ready to buy. Thank you for tuning in to today's term. I will see you all next week. Have a great day.